So the problem with being back at the flat is slow download. So this is number 20, it's coming. But yeah, it's, I mean, okay, let me do some maths. 11% is going to take an hour and 38 minutes. So I might have to do the next one when I get to my folks tonight. But let's show you what we've been up to. First of all, hello. Hello. We are in full-on tidy mode. Bedroom has not been done yet, so let's ignore the bedroom. Okay, so the bathroom is the first proper finished, tidied, cleaned, sorted room. Although we're still missing a few things that are in the dishwasher, like the soap tray and the toothbrush holder. We've got a nice candle burning. You might recognise that from a few days ago Vlogmas. This is our new sink with a cabinet, which we've never had before, which is very exciting. And the whole thing's been tiled, which is new. You can tell where the old tiles meet the new tiles, but hey, we won't focus on that. And the next thing, the last thing to do in here is to add a towel rail and get rid of this old decrepit radiator, and then the tiling will be finished. And new floor, yay!
What is it 22nd or 20th?
It's 23rd today.
No way.
I know! Oh.
The last one for me, day 23. Cup of tea? Oh yes, for me. Our favourite hides your next and final gift. So head to that place with a smile on your face and just give it a lift. Our favourite. Well, it's got to be tea. So T2. T2 jug? Look at this.
I know! We've got all the rum!
Got new pictures.
Oh yeah, they look so lovely. Wait for me! Wait for me!
Sorry.
Wait for me for a cup of tea!
Ah! Awesome. Oh wow, what are these? Storytelling game with 9 wooden dice. I love that it says that you can play this game on your own.
Well, you know.
Or with any number of players. That's awesome. You've seen these dice.
Let's have a look.
So you've got loads of different pictures on all the dice.
Oh, and you have to make a story from it.
I think that's a crystal ball. Superman or some sort of flying superhero.
Cool.
These are awesome. These are really beautiful.
Oh, well there you go, my darling. Day 23.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
I know I'm going to put these.
Pretty much the whole family here.
Are we on?
Yay. There are a few missing, but this is all we can fit in frame.
So what have you got there? What's that?
So this is the doggy advent calendar.
Oh yes, yes, I remember. I actually had to.
Got me to hold it.
Okay, this is my brother Larry, who's never been in Vlogmas
I have.
before.
Oh no, I've watched it once. Hello. Hello, Henry. Nous sommes français, monsieur Henri. Tu vas parler français là?
It's not
Boss.
It's not
Okay,
French.
we're not doing French. Okay, so day 23. Yeah. This is falling apart.
Ow, I have a dog. Ow, I'm going to stab my dog.
I can give one.
Okay, alright. Dad, you do that. Okay. And then off screen. Yay!
Thank you very much.
Everyone, we're just
hang on, they've got like dog things in there.
Yeah, do you want one?
Henry, do you want one?
Okay, you want one. One for Henry.
One for Henry. Have some treats.
Okay. Happy Christmas!
Happy Christmas!